Filling in the grades of the report card is done through Educator Access. From your home page, go to Teacher Access, go to Gradebook, and go to your class. Each section of the report card that you are to fill in is a set of columns in the gradebook. For instance, the support services on the report card are filled in by putting quote grades close quote into each of the columns for ELL, for enriched reading, and so forth. Please take note that in my examples here I have suppressed the names of the students, but if you were wanting to put in an ELL code for one of your students, you would click on the ELL column. You would find the name of the student. Once again, yours will show the names. Type in the level of that student, L1 or L3, and then hit Save. When you are finished entering your support services indicators, all of these columns can be suppressed by clicking on the minus sign. To expand that column, click on the plus. This section below the support services will be auto-filled. Please note that if a student is doing speech, the checkbox will automatically be put in for individualized educational program. The next section on the report card to fill in will be the right-hand side, where we fill in the successful learning behaviors. Each of these behaviors matches the column in your gradebook. Click on that column and you can fill in the grades. Teachers have found it advantageous to go through the list of students and mark those students who are outstanding and those that are needing improvement. Once those have been completed, you can use this pull-down box to highlight S for satisfactory, and the fill will fill all those except those that you have predetermined to be insufficient and outstanding, needing help and outstanding. Save is important. Once you have finished all of these sections, they can be collapsed. You are ready to move to the back side of the report card, starting with reading. Again, you will find that the columns are your skills. Click on those. The pull-down box will give you your choices, in this case outstanding, satisfactory, needs improvement. Once again, I'm going to go through and mark my outstanding students and my students who are needing improvement, and then using the fill feature, everyone else is satisfactory, and save. The reading level scores have a different legend. Only these are allowed. So those students again who are below average, those that are special ed, those are at grade level, those that are above grade level, and fill the at grade levels. Save. Moving back to the front of the report card for a moment are the comment boxes. They are by terms, and to complete the comments in the gradebook, go to the Comments button, choose Post Comments. Each of these cells on the right-hand side indicate a comment box that can be accessed by using the button to the right. The comment box can be typed in directly, And in most browsers, if there is a spelling mistake or in most browsers, if there's a spelling mistake, you can use a right click. It will make a suggestion, and you can choose that. Click OK. Some teachers have found it advantageous to create a list of their comments by student name in a Word document, and that allows them to use some copy-paste of the same verbiage. At that point then, we can copy this entire comment, go up to the skyward box, and paste. OK will return to the list of students. The comment does not show entirely, however it is all there. The comment appears in red until it has been saved, and if we go back into our comments, you'll see that it's green, indicating that it has been saved.